The 2011 CTS. The CTS is a well-sorted blend of all-American style and European-inspired tuning with a cutting-edge design. The luxury CTS blends elegant styling, performance, and exceptional fuel economy and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: OnStar, heated seats, keyless entry, navigation system, DVD system, backup camera, traction control, Bose sound system, stability control, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.